Hey, what are your weekend plans?
Nothing big. I just want to rest.
Oh, nice. Rest days feel amazing.
Yes, my week was very tiring.
Do you want to go somewhere?
Maybe the park for some fresh air.
Good idea. The weather is nice.
Yes, perfect for a small walk.
What do you do on weekends usually?
I watch movies and clean my room.
Haha, I clean room every Saturday.
Same, my room gets messy fast.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Sometimes, when everyone is free.
Yes, weekends get busy for many.
True, but I enjoy small meetups.
What do you and your friends do?
We talk, laugh, and eat snacks.
That sounds simple and fun.
Yes, small moments feel special.
Do you play games on weekends?
Yes, I play mobile games sometimes.
Which games do you play?
Racing games and small puzzles.
Oh, nice. I like puzzle games too.
Do you watch any shows?
Yes, I started a new series.
Is it good?
Yes, very funny and light.
I like light shows on weekends.
Do you cook anything special?
Sometimes I make noodles or pasta.
Yum, weekend food tastes better.
Haha, yes, because we eat slowly.
Do you like long weekends?
Yes, I love extra rest days.
Same, they feel like small holidays.
Yes, 3 days feel perfect.
So, what will you do tonight?
Maybe watch a movie with family.
That sounds nice and cozy.
Yes, I love family movie nights.
Okay, I will go now.
Sure, enjoy your weekend plans.
Thanks. You enjoy your weekend too.
Yes, I will. Talk later.
All right, have a happy day.
You too.